नमस्कार विद्यार्थियों. Today we understand frequency distribution. Suppose there are 20 students in a class and in class test they got different marks. So their marks are the variables. So we have to make first column for this variable, maybe marks or any data. The second thing is, the second column is of frequency. Suppose 2 students out of 20 got 3 marks, 8 students out of 20 got 4 marks, 4 students out of 20 got 5 marks, and 5 students out of 20 got 6 marks, and 1 student out of 20 got 7 marks. So these marks are the variables, while each variable has its frequency, means how many times the value of the variable is repeated. Now, some more kinds of frequency distribution is relative frequency distribution, proportionate frequency distribution. These two are same. These two are almost same, only name difference. Then the third one is percentage frequency distribution, प्रतिशतीय आवृत्ति वितरण. Fourth one is cumulative frequency distribution, संचयी आवृत्ति वितरण. And one more variant of frequency distribution is bivariate frequency distribution, द्विचर आवृत्ति वितरण. When there are two variables, then it is called bivariate frequency distribution. Relative frequency distribution. In this example, 3 marks, its frequency is 2. Then the relative frequency of 3 marks is 2. For the second row, for 4 marks, the relative frequency for first row, the relative frequency is these 2 marks are out of 20. So the relative frequency will be 2 upon 20. For this frequency 8 out of 20, then the relative frequency will be 8 upon 20. Likewise, 4 upon 20, 5 upon 20, and 1 upon 20. So by dividing 20, 2 dividing by 20, it is 0.1. It is 8 divided by 20, it is 2 4s are 8, and 4 2s are 8, and 4 5s are 20. So this is 2 by 5. It means 0.4. Then 4 upon 20, 1 upon 5. It means dividing 1 by 5, we get 1 upon 5, 0.2. Then 5 upon 20, it means 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 means 0.25, and 1 upon 20 means 0.5. So this 0.1 is the relative frequency, or we can say proportionate frequency of this of marks 3. 0.4 is the relative frequency of marks 4. 0.2 is the relative frequency of 5 marks, and 0.25 is the relative frequency of 6 marks, and 0.5 is the relative frequency of 7 marks. Then percentage frequency distribution. When we multiply these relative or proportionate frequency distribution by 100, then we get the percentage frequency distribution. So 0.1 multiplied by 100, it is 10. 0.5 4 multiplied by 100, we get 40. 0.2 multiplied by 100, we get 20. 0.25 multiplied by 100, we get 25, and 0.5 multiplied by 100, we get this is 0.5 multiplied by 100, and this is it's not 0.5, this is 0.05, sorry, 0.05, we get 5. So total percentage must be 100, 10, 50, 50, 70, 80, 95 and 5. It is totally 100% because total value may not be greater than 100%. So this is percentage frequency distribution when we put the values of frequency in the form of percentage. Next one is cumulative frequency distribution. Cumulative, suppose for this variable the frequency is 2. So cumulative frequency, we add the previous frequencies in the coming frequencies. Cumulative frequency. For 4 marks, the cumulative frequency will be 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. For 5 marks, the cumulative frequency will be 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. For 6 marks, the cumulative frequency will be 14. This 14 plus its own frequency 5. It is 19. And for 7 marks, the cumulative frequency will be 19 plus its own frequency 1 is equal to 20. So here also the last value of cumulative frequency must be same with the total frequency. So this is called cumulative frequency. Thank you.